Back at you with another review. This is on the Simpsons Tommy toys for promoting the Simpsons movie, or for this from the Simpsons movie. I'm gonna let them take a break from reviewing the Water Spaniel for a little bit and review some of my other stuff, because I don't have nothing left to review on the Water Spaniel. So here's the set. I got these for Christmas. And here's the little book with the candles. If I can get this open with one hand, which here it is. Right there, you got Homer, and the board consists. In the sick has Bart, Homer, Marge, Lisa, and Maggie. This is a better look at the set. By the way, I am missing one of these, and that is Lisa. I have 2 Maggies, which I'm not gonna trade any of these. One I don't trade in. It's an extra. So let's have a look at Bart. Here he is. He's making a big mess with water in his hand. But those figures are removable. These are buildable. And you see the detail on this. If I just go to my miscellaneous shelf because it's more light. But you see the detail on these. It's fantastic. So all the chairs and stuff are removable and stuff. I'm not gonna get a Lisa anytime soon. Stuff because they only sell these in sets on eBay. So yeah, that's Bart. Now Maggie, of course I have 2 of. She has Bobo. I'm not sure what's in the flash on. But she has Bobo with better look. This isn't gonna focus, is it? So I'm gonna make this hard for me. So it's Maggie, but there's a piece of popcorn on the floor. Next time, maybe I should turn on the flash on for this video. And the other Maggie just fell off. There's Homer. Again, he doesn't have a peg, and neither does Maggie. He's in a sitting pose. He's eating a whole bunch of junk food. Yeah, again, the detail is so great on these. He's got a drink, candy bar, popcorn. What is that? Nachos, I think. That's nachos. But yeah, amazing detail. So, yeah, he's actually mid-chew. So, and finally, Marge, who I actually taped to the chair because I just kept getting tired of it falling off. I come up for shenanigans. Well, this twist shenanigans. But yeah, here's a post right there. So, and these are pretty much posed like the McFarlane versions of these, like the McFarlane Marge and stuff was posed like this, but only had like a piece of paper in her hand and stuff. So yeah, and also on the back of all of them, they have a Simpsons movie sticker, which is a better look at it on the back of Homer. But my favorite is Bart. He's my second favorite character. And if you're wondering, I'll just go over here. My favorite character is actually Hugo. So I'm just saying that right now. Send these all back in front. I'm gonna try to make some more reviews. Stuff instead of just having separate week from week. But yeah. I kind of rearranged and stuff my World Springfield stuff. Like I have the places and stuff like that. And stuff, but yeah, these things I recommend. So you might be able to get them for some cheap and stuff. So I'll see you all next time. Bye.